to get voice chat on Roblox without ID. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Roblox website and use your username and password. Now, click on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. This is the cog icon. Then a drop down menu will appear. Now, from the drop down, tap on the settings and you can find this above quick login. Then you will be taken to the settings page. Now, simply click on the add email and add a valid email address. Then verify your email address. An email will be sent to the email address. Click verify email in the email and you will see verified next to a check mark when your email has been approved. Now add a phone number. Click add phone to the right of phone number. Then you will be asked to verify your account password in the field. Now you will be sent a verification code. Click verify phone to enter the code and you will see verified next to a check mark. Now your account is now fully verified. Now it will be very easy for you to open the voice chat. Simply go back to the Roblox and all you have to do is tap on the settings icon at the top right corner and tap on these settings. Once inside the settings, click privacy settings and this will be below your account info. And finally toggle on enable voice chat. If you don't have this feature, your account may be under 13 plus or you have not been chosen as a beta tester. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.